everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cut the Blackspot Seabream in Heartopia. This fish has a unique shape and unique fins with the unique color like this. I think it's so beautiful, and I think it's perfect if you want to decorate your aquarium. And to cut this fish, you can go to the Zephyr Sea at the Rainy or Rainbow, and then it spawns almost all time, but it will not spawn at from the 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. So just avoid this time. And so just go to the Zephyr Sea. This one near the fishing village. Just go to the sea at the Rainy or Rainbow. And to increase your chance to get it, you can use fish attractor or maybe Mermaid perfume to increase rare fish spawn rate. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.